Nah.
Now
you just pulled our point right. There's no such thing as a
boys' night.
It ends up the night ends up being a gang's night. Because Dunama girls, Dunama boys.
It's still
That was
it
night.
is a boys' night.
Sekuba night manje.
Honey night your pen. Night
No, listen,
We can get it on.
Yeah, great. I'm just
same as a girls' night. There's no such thing as a girls' night because
But y'all can host bega, y'all can host a pajama party mfethu. Nihlale ningabothekeni iphele kanjalo. Ngeke sithina host pajama party singama out.
sodwa.
That's a lie.
Sowavela emthini ngeBV thing da yami kancane yatanga. Bapha kupalisa umi kancane fonela labantwana. Yangithenga.
Lo pajama party. Oba khona lo ganyani wa.
Which was a spa, stripper.
No,
Nimbizile.
besides the uzofika owamguy guys as much as nazi ukuthi ngihlala nomuntu kunalomuntu ongizamile ngeside engidinga ukuthi there is no such things. It is girls' night with a little bit of entertainment element.
Yeah.
As much as the people balulekile futhi.
Yeah, hey, and live, but yeah, this is cool for this thing you're saying. I need to have a mic ezobheka lapho so that whatever abantu abayikhuluma I want to capture it.
Yeah.
Every wall I ever built came crumbling down before. But your hand inside of mine feels like bedrock, something more. This ain't written on the wind.
Welcome to Kamalamu MK. It's another episode. Yesebi. Remember, Yesebi stands for creatives, entrepreneurs, business people, kunyanama innovators. In this kind of episode or in this kind of show, we also speak kunyanama athletes, guys. So when I say I'm a creatives, kunyanama innovators, I mean I'm a creatives, kunyanama innovators. But today, Mpete Krutman, he's an artist, and we're just gonna get to know him. Yeah, I just want to actually get to know him. Etaya mokrendida.
Mnani mfethu wena.
Izinto.
Sure.
Ngizwe sound la background. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngikubona kuma statuses when you drop something kadago or nase grouping le us. Yeah, but ngizwe sound la background mfethu. Yeah, well, link hits it different, way more than maloku tumeli link, and then we get to follow the links yolalela because sometimes ulalela nge phone and stuff, but then ngizwe sound in it. So I got to hear yonke instrument like my producers ayisebenzisile when they were producing beat lakho and kunye ne presentation oyishayile nje throughout the song ube we perform akara grounding.
Sure.
Big ups Tayam. You've just gained the fan.
Clean sauce.
Yeah, so ngifuna ukukucava Tayam. Ngifuna ukukucava because I've taken a journey ukuthi ngikufollow yabo. So ngifuna ukuthi noma ngichoma ngawe ngifika kuphi ngijama kunomuntu ososo eKasilam I will know ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. So thus we have a platform so yabo. So
Alright.
Bengicela ukuthi sithathe sise kuma basics. Ubani kahle kahle. Igama lakho lokuzalwa uzalelwe kuphi ukhulele kuphi and then yini eku-influence kakhulu into iart.
Alright wena mfethu sanibonani bafethu sibonge for I call out ukuthi nathi sibe la ku podcast just to represent our ghetto.
Thank you.
La uThato okhulumayo ke Thato Hasnagomu born and raised Kothokoza 1426 uzalwa nge Pinky, which is my mom. We call her Pinky, but her name is Sharon.
Okay.
Netumelo. Mina bazali bami babiza ngamagama. Ngizongixolela. That's how I grew up. I only call my mom. I only call ugogo wami ngomamam. Yeah, understand. Yeah. So yeah, this is Thato bafethu. And I've started this thing. Okay, before about Christ, yabo. The sound is really rapping and all that.
Sure.
I started this thing at an early age about the entertainment. I started it. If I can recall, I think I was still in primary yeah, I think I was still in primary. Yes, I was still in primary. Da yacava ke yabo member banokusithatha nje random ukuthi hey wena bakubona ukuthi unint yabo ukuthi sozocula ichoir ngelunch mina uyocula ichoir yabo nini nisa active so ama choral verse, and then that's how I got interest yayo that thing yabo. But yazi ke molo kukhula, you get to venture out into other things yabo.
Sure.
You get to venture out, and then it's mengifunda ma grade 7 yabo, ngaphuma ngajive ispantsula at the very same time bengidlala nebhola ke kasi yabo. Bengijagela both, bengijive ispantsula ngidlala nebhola. But then again it was a short thing ke ngicine ngiliyeka ngafocus akayi ku entertainment kakhulu.
Nice one.
Yeah, that's how
Nice one.
I grew ke ngawo ke dating then from acting to doing music yabo. So acting nakhona it's my first love because into engithuna kakhulu nayo mungathi check on my Facebook, on my Instagram, like on my social media platforms.
Sure.
I'm also a content creator yabo. I also do those skits yabo, nangishaya ama vlogs and all that, so they're part of my creative process
Nice
yabo.
one. Nice
Yeah, it's other things engizenzayo as a creative.
Okay. You've given yourself into esports as well, even though you are saying ukuthi awuphulumanga isikhathi sibhaya ku disc.
Yeah.
You pursued art.
Yeah.
Abhaya ama careers in fact that you could have chosen. Omunye umuntu bekazofuna ukubloma e-office avule i-laptop, count ama invoice or audit ama companies or maybe be a lawyer or anything, but when you chose entertainment, what does being an artist mean to you personally?
First thing first, I'd say the feminine buyaguyo.
Sure.
It is both. It is split into two. There's athletes and then there's artists.
Okay.
Yeah, there's athletes and artists.
Sure.
So now I chose to go the artist way. Yabo. So I think it's something ukuthi nakhona ngincele echaritini coming from umkhulu ukhokho wami yabo.
Sure.
The great Metro Sinahome. I don't know, maybe if you are Mazi, you can do your research ngaye.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my great grandfather there, Metro Sinahome. He used to be a tap dancer, one of the biggest tap dancers in South Africa. You understand that he
Sure,
even went
sure.
abroad with you inspired about Frank Sinatra, the likes of yabo. Yeah. So now he used to be a tap dancer. The whole of my family, was in Mkwena Street. They tap dance. They are tap dancers. So now, and then in that space, mega tap dancer umkhulu wami, he used to tell stories. He used to sing about. He do those little stories. Mega libida tap dance. Achela bantu about Dali Sitana. Yeah, doing those monologues and all that. So yeah, that was the vibe. And then Gunama singers echaritini yabo. There's people who play instruments. I have my brother here. Ilaspona echaritini. Usonta uyasonta. I don't know if I'm allowed to mention igama the church. Usonta FBA. He's one of the saxophonists there.
Okay.
So we quite a busy family yabo. So me ge inte yangifaka ku art kakhulu ukuthi ngize ngithande, and what it means to me is ispantsula ne acting.
Okay.
Yabona. We were able to tell stories sijiva yabona, and I used to like how people reacted on that yabo. I liked that feeling yokuthi people would stand up yabo, guys stand innovation akushaya izandla yabona, and ngiphumele stage abantu bafuna yabo mingle with you bantu yabo. I liked that, and then what it means to me, it's quite spiritual. It's quite spiritual, my dog. I'd say it isn't something that I just picked up. It's something in the charity. So
Sure.
it is deep like that. Hence, none of my music. I don't just do music for the sake of doing music, because I want to touch other people's soul. I want to put message into it. Even though it might be hip hop or piano or in me, I want to tell a story. So that's how deep it is, gimme. And storying is chelayo. It is my background. It is my current situation that I'm facing.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that's what music means to me. It's spirit and spirituality.
Yeah. Ish, it's unfortunate man ukuthi especially us people abalalela music kwenu guys, we don't have indlebe for a sound that actually matters. Yabo, we go with a crowd. Bangabe crowd ijambela music also nathi sizifuna kada. Yabo, because listening to a sound yakho da, I don't know ukuthi abanye abantu bazoyithatha as offense or what, but then that's exactly how I've heard it. You way better than abo Big Zulu nanani mfethu. I tell you, it is the truth.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah, it is a
Hayizoyithatha
compliment.
njenge compliment because
Yeah,
but
yeah.
hey, big respect to
You
our
way
booty
better.
dabo.
Yabo, I'm saying that because yabona lama artists lana sewaphumelele that have made it already, like sebaphila to that level yokuthi any kind of a sound that I'm dropping, it's gonna get views, abantu bazoyilalela. Yabo, now awuyenzi imali because you wrote a perfect song. Yabo, uyenza imali because you got a following. That's the boring part about the industry. But I tell you, mfethu, when you listen to low music wamajita like your Big Zulu and all of that, kuyabhora ntanga, ama lyrics wakhona yabona ukuthi there's no context guy, or if ever khona context, izitori abazichazayo man, it's not something that you can tell kumntwana osasemncane that you can teach them, but you get to listen to isound efana neyakho ntanga. You're poetic mfethu. Let me just put it that way. You are extremely poetic, and I so wish ukuthi abantu ababhaya can listen to your sound and bangayimameli nje kuphela. Let them talk about it because it deserves ukuthi mayifike endlebeni zabantu and ishintshe ubomi babantu. Yabo, I don't know ukuthi now when you have made it again, since because ngiyabona you are on a peak season.
Hey mfethu, kuphizi remosebenzing.
Yeah, when you have made it mfethu, I need you to continue writing because what makes music to be beautiful, it's the story behind it. Yabo, and the way you are delivering it. We are not only listening to music because it's the artist or Baselwa beat. We want the message, and the message it's through writing.
That's true. That's
so
true.
Please continue writing tanga, because the lyrics wakho ayasho ukuthi uyabloma emva kwencwadi and spend some time ubhala scratch.
True that. Yeah. I'd say me vele hence being shit ukuthi like I'm a writer. I like putting message into what I create. Yabo.
Yeah.
So now also njoba ngi actor kanje, I'm also a writer. I'm still gonna write films.
Sure,
So now
sure.
I cannot just write a film ukuthi abantu kumele bayibukele and then it doesn't make sense. It is just clout on it.
Sure.
It's just like, you know how this music videos
Yeah,
this is mama currently ebazokutshela ukuthi sex sells and all that. I feel like that is just clout. It is just people who want to sell their stuff. Sekumele kuvela abantwana abathwekhayo la ngama-G-string yabo. Sekumele ngivele ngikhulu lapha yana phezulu kwe-BM ngezolo lami yabo. I don't think nokuthi music is all about that, but it is the narrative onguthi niyapushwa currently. I cannot fight that. Who am I? And then I would say with the OGs, what's njobush ukuthi abo Big Zulu yabona, you don't really vibe with their style currently because of the writing and all that. Me, I'd say, you know, mebasangena abafethu, if you can go back and listen to their music, it was relatable because it was because we were hungry.
Yeah.
So now when you're hungry, you're gonna tell your story. Yabona, uzosho ukuthi your background mina ngibuye eBergville kwenzakala kanje nakanje ngabuye ngafika eJozi ngahlangana noSibanibani ngihuzuka ngihlala phansi kwebridge yabo. So now you telling all that story engukuthi nathi sikwazi ukurelate kuzo abantu abamnyama and abantu abakhulela emalokishi or emakhaya. Understand?
Nice.
So now if so phumelele, you getting now, so you've reached your peak, you have all those things obokukhuluma ngazo previous songs yabo, sebayazlimita ke. I feel like bagcina sebazlimita sekuqala lapho ukurelax umuntu sekaqala kubhalela ngalezi zinto ke sekanazo manje yabo, ukuthi manje akasafisa ukuba nemali manje yabo. Manje senginemeterene yabo. That's another thing about hip hop yabo. That's another thing about hip hop enokungikhathaza sithunyana. Yeah, we like a lot of hip hop artists. Let me not say hip hop artists, rap, because hip hop it's a subculture or a culture, you know why.
Okay.
There's other aspects on it. Let me say rap. Album rapper, they banner riding, they have they rub themselves with too much ego massage yabo pani pride if you can listen ingomeni zabo rapper it is always I yabo.
True.
I feel like that's selfishness.
Okay.
Yeah, it's always I. You see me on that man and that I don't even know. I, me. Yabo. So now,
Okay.
I feel like now you're starting to be selfish. Why everything is, it has to be about you. That's when you lose a sense of everything else that's happening around you now.
Yeah.
Yabo. I
Okay.
think by lahla lapho ke now. That's when ungasakwazi ukutshela story sakho ke and nama surroundings sakho angeke sisarelate thina because everything is about you now.
Okay.
Yabo.
Okay. You know, as we are actually sitting and you talking, I'm actually learning a bit about you, basically in your background, Yako, because that's one thing I'm most interested in because you that actually defines this person or we are. Yabo.
Mbona?
Ifamily yakho, even though you didn't mention, I know we've actually highlighted off camera, Uguti, you guys are also political, Kai.
Yeah, big time.
Big time.
Big time.
Yeah, well, I wanted for anyone onga like his styles sakho se writing and all of that. I wanted them to actually reflect to Tupac. Yabo, because you actually reminded me of story saka Tupac when I njengoba ngihleli like ngikulalele and all of that. I'm like relating with man, no. Ikhona lanto makuthiwa umuntu uyashona and then baphinde bamzali kuphi yabo, you'd find
Reincarnation,
ukuthi, yeah, we are living on another season yaka Tupac. Yabo, because story sakho nesakhe si like ama backgrounds wenu ayafana yabo, because I tell you, if ever you grew up nge like with a family that is politically based, I tell you, mfethu, you are not afraid to actually speak your mind, to actually tell the truth as it is. Yabona?
True.
And is stories that are rooted by politics. These is stories, mfethu, that are relevant today, and these is stories that are actually forever relevant because this is Caesar amalanga wonke.
That's true.
Yabo,
That's
amalanga
true.
wonke. So I know, man, I applaud that, and I'm very much interested into the political side of your family, but I know good
Now, yeah. Aye, for that one, yabo.
Yeah.
Ikona outside idila ngara dingle yabo. Me, I'm more yabo on the entertainment
Sure.
on the entertainment side yabo. But not that good politics yabo nayo ngi sideline ile. Obvious everything revolves around politics yabo.
Around politics.
Nayo le entertainment esikuyo mfethu it revolves around politics.
Yeah,
Inama
it's-
politics kwayo.
It's even very ncane in a family when sizo pursue amaphupha wethu sonke.
Yeah.
Yabo, even though angafani but siyasupportanana. Yabo, ngapho you've got athletes, you're an artist, and then you've got politicians.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
We always nangapha futhi we great cooks, dog.
Yeah, what?
Siyapheka.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna bring my sister here now. Ushange company yakhe eGawulo.
Ekhaya.
Yeah, I'm sure you bring innovators and now
She's definitely
innovative
she's gonna
ngeGawulo.
watch this episode, ne?
Most definitely, dog. Me and my
Tell her.
family yang support nkosi yami.
Ngiphathele like your favorite meal, ne? Please. Like mawuzakala studio uphathi like. Yabo.
Hayi ke sozwile pelina. Bulungisa lapha makhana na Vista.
Yeah. Khutman lam ukhulele eThokoza.
Born and
Uyaltha
raised.
eThokoza.
Yeah.
Bloma yi eThokoza.
Yeah.
For someone ongayicavi iThokoza, for someone ozwelayo nje ukuthi no man there's a place abayibiza ukuthi iThokoza. Yabo. For someone on a perspective yakhe mhlambe ngeThokoza, but ongablomi kayi, but ozabamtshela ukuthi no eThokoza kuso. I know thina sidume ngama heist, sidume ngeinkunzi. Yabo, sidume ngamakinza, sidume ngama drugs, yonke lonto leyo. But can you define iThokoza?
Okay. I try to put it as best as I can.
Sure.
But this is from my understanding, guys. Hey, don't shoot me back on this. Nithi,
Yeah.
hey, seka yokhuluma iThokoza ubani yena. Hey,
Banjani.
don't come at me,
Yeah,
bafethu.
banjani.
Yabo. So this is how I see it, mina.
Yeah.
Yabo. And this is how I view Ikaslam. Okay. Bafethu, I might look young, but hey, ngigrot sengizorevela manje nobugrot bami, yabo. But me, I'm from the 90s. Yabo, I'm from the 90s. So now iThokoza mfethu ukuza kanje from, I'd say from mina ne, from boma 97 98 ukuza kanje. Hey, my dog, it had everything. We had like everything. mengithi everything, we had like everything.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
We had facilities esikwazi ukupusha ama crafts wethu kuzo njenge tennis court, yabo. You saw how it is right now.
Yeah.
Yabo, it isn't benefiting.
It's a disgrace.
It isn't yabo youth
It's a
center. It is
disgrace,
called
basically.
it is being called youth center, but it doesn't yabo,
Yeah.
it doesn't benefit any youth yala eThokoza yabo. But we used to use that space yabo besiphethwe umunye umadala bebathu Tatanken. May his soul rest in peace, Ule Washona.
Sure.
So he used to run that place whereby we do acting there, we do ispantsula there. There was visual artists there, Ebekas Fundisa, like we pretty much did everything there. Bekas travelisa samba siyakuboma World Summit eSentin. So performer, that was my first time performing Mandela Aplomile da. You understand that there's
Sure,
like
sure.
gang lots of abantu from different kind of worlds about country. You understand that that was the things ebezenzakala eThokoza during that time. You understand? And then I'm not saying currently it is not as vibrant as it was back then. Yabo, but ngifuna ukugaya ukuthi yabo how it was before, yabo. And then coming from le era esiphila kuyo. Yes, we understand izinto ziyashintsha, yabo, people move, yabo. Abantu bayakhula, yabo, and all those things azange sakwazi ukuthi zimaintaineke. Some of those, yabo.
Yeah.
But sasala thina cause sikhulele kuleyo era leyo eyokuthi yabo sikhuliswa amakhotman afuna ukuthi asikhiphe estradeni asibonisa impilo egrand, yabo.
Sure,
Asikhiphe from harm's way. You understand? So me manje the way ngibona ngakhona iThokoza it is starting to ukuthi ibuyele kulesa simo sakudala vie, because now we have a lot of creatives who are pushing mfethu. Sinama creatives abhaya la eThokoza, trust. Yabo, some of them are doing great. Some of them are prominent right now. The likes of Abona Mfundo, yabo, the likes of Ubumuzmoka.
Sure.
Udok lo ngipusha naye. Ngisazonitshela ngaye if isikhathi sisasekhona yabo, because we do a whole lot of things mina naye uMuzmoka, yabo. We had the likes of before siba nalabo bantu laba bona umfundo yekani. Thokoza used to have the likes of abo Stimela, labo matala bestimela, you understand, beba practicela lapha na eBeam mfethu bashaya ingoma zabo lapha. Also abo Enoch Godongwane njoba kwi finance minister namhlanje bekachashe ngale nkakhi mfethu. We had we had like prominent people coming from this hood, you understand, and the list is labo matala bashayi via Orlando. They
Sure,
from this
sure.
hood,
Yeah,
yabo.
yeah,
Singaya,
yeah.
the list is endless. So Thokoza ikaslama creatives kakhulu and politicians, I'd put it like that.
Okay.
Yes, esports is khona kuso, yabo. But mengithi ngiyacheka angazi if I don't know mina, but mengithi ngiyacheka akhona ama hotman from kudala was representer via sports nyana, yabo, abo Machite, yabo, bale badlala kubo Pirates,
Yeah.
abo Coach Peggy, bale badlala kubo Swilosi. Those people, they come from Thokoza. Abo who's this guy? Now we have the likes of Abon Ndlondlo, they representing us when you level, you understand?
Yeah,
but
true.
that's the people that I can count. But coming from the entertainment side of things, we have Abu Sabelo Makubo, we have Ubanu Mama Loase Tintwa, Doagude River, right? Ubanu Makriza Ganeo. Okay, ngimkhohliwe igama lakhe. Yeah. But like we have a whole lot of people who are doing great. We have Abu Kruna. He was once nominated Guma Metro Awards. We have Abu Nozi Ponsede. Those are prominent people at Thokoza. We have Abu Rashid K. You understand?
Sure,
Yeah, so those
sure,
are people.
yeah.
Hidden Force. That's where singale khona ke thina ke nale sound okhuluma ngayo. If ungezwa ke Thokoza has its own sound, yabo.
Yeah,
But
true.
obviously thina sesifake kule era le manje, but some maintain the style sethu sokuthokoza and all that. So this is how I view Thokoza mina ke. It is full of artists and creatives, yabo. Yes, amakasi mfethu angeke kasi kuthiwe mfethu yonke into ivaya smooth, yabo.
Yeah.
There's always going to be the bad side of things. Yes, zayenzakala lezi zinto lezi abafethu bayadutshulwa, there's ama heists and all that. Iyenzakala everywhere leyo nto leyo, yabo. And angipromote futhi. I'm not promoting it, yabo. But kulo muntu lo ongayicavi iThokoza, I'm telling you, iThokoza ziyakhipha there's like creatives this side yabo. Yes, there's bad things that is happening yabo. If we are sabu kuze Thokoza, because there's this notion mo fika Soweto or mo to buya Thokoza bathi yena buya Thokoza ikasileni nina yabo. So abantu bayicava kuyikaseli bad yabo. Yeah, so now we tryna ukuthi sikhipe that mentality ukuthi abantu bayicava ngokuthi ikaseli dangerous Thokoza. Njoba nathi silibele siphusha ke ngi-artistry yethu siphuma siya kwamanye amagasi si represent Thokoza yabo. So now they're starting to see the other side of Thokoza, any perspective ngeThokoza ukuthi okay, now it's not that bad yabo.
Yeah. Okay, I know. Let us take a short break.
I mean ayakhuluma because I might talk.
Full reset after 30 minutes. Yeah.
Manje uphelele.
Tina squeeze ngabumbali. Welcome back bafethu. Yeah, ngiphulumeni Christ.
Bad.
Yeah,
bad.
ngiphulumeni
Sure.
Christ ka ikhruthman la seThokoza 1426.
Hey, but
he's a hip hop artist.
ade kancane before Christ was Black Christ bafethu.
Yeah.
Angisho niyazi worship of the moon. I am the sun.
I wanted to get to the word yaka Christ. I mean the name. Come on, dog. Ufike njani la?
Mfethu and akusina transmesh kanjani. Yeah, leyo it wasn't even affiliated nendaba zokuthi mhlambe ngiyengachurch ngayincanywa isonto yabo, because I used to be that guy yabo. Shaba ama clap and tap, mfethu ngenza into ezibhaya. Asuka ngayo by Christian bengidlala ama drum da yabo. It has nothing to do with that. Le kama la ka Christ ilize kanjani? Bengisasana ama dreads. I used to have dreadlocks, dog. They were this long, but they were figure, I think they were here. So now no Moses shoot isithombe la ngase Shoprite eKhumalo. Shootwa yini outer me zip code. So now this guy mekaceda ku shoot at the storm uju ntwana abona lana ntwana ala ngathi uJesu ntwana yabo, because the way like nambe ngingakhona yabo dala ngathi uJesu ntwana yabo. So now zip code uye ke yabo owangibiza ngoJesu bekathanda ukungibiza ngoJesu yabo. And then Moka was the one who was like Christu yabo. Beka ngibona nebekathanda ukuthi eChristu yabo, Jesu Christu yabo. And then like from Jesus Christ to Christ yabo beloku lilebele lihlapuka, and then me ngabona ukuthi okay na abantu bazocabanga lo Christ lo the white Jesus yabona, and they were like nah. And like let me be deep with this thing, me I'm the Christ one yabo. If you understand the meaning of Christ yabo, it means akusisibongo saka Christ, but it means akusisibongo saka Jesu, but it means ukuthi he was the anointed one, uvele anointiwe. Everyone uvela anointiwe. We all have our own blessings. We all have our own anointing. So now we are all caressed yabo. That's Christ, karasat. So now I took that ngafaku K yabo, ngafaku Z ekugcineni. I'm like okay, ngafaka no PC, which is UPC umele before Christ. So now it's Christ before Christ. Yeah, Christ before Christ. So now that's how the name came about. Westhombe ke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Izinto. Uspanile. I like the fact that you actually try to reveal ukuthi umdala kangakanani when you've mentioned ukuthi wena umuntu we-90s. Umuntu we-90s. So throughout i-journey yakho ye-artistry or your music uspane nobantu and ngawaphi ama moments esinga-highlighta kuwo where you'd say ukuthi you know what, even though ngispanile ngathini but then ngikhumbula ama moments aso siperforma kuphi namajita kanjena, and then this is what happened.
Ispane sibhaya mfethu. Okay, umuntu engispane naye kakhulu and then engisaspana naye na currently uMuzmoka.
Okay.
Yabo, shout out Muzmoka ntwana yam Shwamazin. Big shout out. He's doing great things out there. Untwana we've been into eshaye. Okay, my first song enguthi serious eyaphuma yaba kuboma Spotify yashootwa ama music video, it was with him. Kunguthi yena already beseka yabo, beseka ahead of me na viable ma industry wise, because he's been pushing nabafowethu abo Sharp Mocha yabona, he've been pushing nabo Hoodlam, we producer yakhe yabo, he's been in the industry moves yabo. they've had their fair share nabo bavela kubo ayashisa amateki sivela ke sebisiwana abo Mikasi Sukasi yabo. So no, we've had our fair share yabo. So now lot of stuff ngituna nayo umuzi. And then ngispanile nabo Dope Flop where I just featured him on my single which is my first official single Umfana Kalo yabo. It is featured Dope Flop. I've worked with the likes of Abo DJ Raf yabo. And I've shared a stage in fact with the likes of Bonabo Big Zulu. I've shared the stage with the likes of Abo AB Crazy, Shasha. Hey, fun. Yo, it's all it. Okay, at first it's always overwhelming, yabo. At first, because as laban fit to admire when you see them on TV, yabo. And now when you get to meet them on stage, obviously, kona lento leo nawe ezo cloud with you are Big Zulu yabo actor sabo fan nyana, but yabo we grow out of that. Miss Lucas Joyela sihlangana nabo yabo smithana siyabona ukuthi okay but singabantu sonke siyafana simpe one yabo. Yeah, but I've worked with a lot of people yabo. And then the biggest highlight go music wami it was when we got to be featured on the Scooter Baba remix pack na Yumuzi. We got to be featured on the Scooter Baba remix pack which was the Scooter Baba became an anthem, I think 2004, ne? And then 2005, that's when they did Scooter Baba remix pack, Sesa Tropa, I think April 2005. I think now Ses Nonyak. So how did we come about to be featured there?
2025.
Yeah?
You mean 2025?
Yeah, 2025 last year.
You've been saying 2005.
2020. Oh, sorry, pardon me.
Okay.
Buffett. Yes,
Okay, yeah.
The metaverse idlala ngamanje sengibuyele emveni.
Okay. I know, snap,
Yeah,
snap.
2025. Pardon me, guys. So now, how did we get to be featured on Scooter Baba? After bafethu baceda kwistropa, you remember there were a lot of people who jumped on it. Bashaya ama-riding wabo, ama-open verse wabo on social media platforms, on TikTok and all those. Yabo Abo Torsi, Abo Chasem, a lot of people they jumped on Scooter Baba. And then mina no muzi, I think sichampe kuso late mfethu, sichampe kuso late lama riding swaphumile yabo.
Sure.
Ngimchuthe manitama moka talk mana ngidownloadile riding nami man ngiyabona abantu baloku bashaya i-riding Scooter Baba man athi sisigibele quick yabo. Hayi vele as a blazing isihlale phansi kwesihlahla. Mfethu we did that quick dog sicede the same day and then we had to go record it we out here to Uraf. Sayishaya dog, we shot that and then it's a mesiceda kuyishuta. I-manager yethu uSweyo, shout out Sweyo. Big dog, shout out Sweyo Entertainment bafethu. Yes pushayo if niyangifuna so now niyazi ukuthi you have to deal with my manager. I-manager yethu yeah iyoburinga nayo.
Okay.
So now i-manager yethu bekahlala khala ukuthi my boys yazi nihlala niposta i-content lapha before mina ngiyibona sengibona nabantu bayipostile manje niyeke ukuyenza leyo nto leyo yabo. So like uMoka was like okay doc athi si edit Grandi sendele upido sike so iposta kusasa. It was on a Sunday yabo. And then uMoka vela post ayenze si edit asendele upidos yabo. Usafuna ukumbonisa ukuthi okay nayi riding there but akamtshela ukuthi hey don't post that yabo. Sizoyiposta thina kusasa on our platforms yabo ngeschedule yethu yabo. Sivaye sekwenye show yabajita iBoom Bap khona ngarayi basuthwini. And then house tunyana mesiloku silapha yabona amafoni so busy manje yabo. Amafoni so busy manje gena ama notification
Sure.
yabo. Moka mana ngirangena uthe manini ngathi trend Christ kambani yabo. How pido suyipostile riding seyisheriwe dog asikaka post thina abanikazi. It's a Sunday, so now it's trending. And then kube na this one guy Medicine SA. Yeah, that's he posted yakhe ke ele upload on Facebook. Yabo. And then thina MSC poster on the following day ke it blew on TikTok ke cause nathi sahlanya ke kuma TikTok platforms wethu ke yabo. Yes, it blew. Isikhathi sivaye we got a call ke from a Universal ke sifonelwa abafethu from a Universal they wanted to basitshele ukuthi okay say we saw your video we liked about how you got in nibulala ngakhona, we want to feature you on the Scooter Baba remix pack, yabo.
Sure,
So
sure,
now
sure.
yeah, that's how the things work. The size pan again from then, and then the Scooter Baba remix pack, it gwega puma another 4 remixes, which is ile sikhona kuyo. Angisho Scooter Baba manje, it has like 6 songs now on the pack. Mo search Scooter Baba remix pack uzothola ingoma ezi6, which is the original song, and then which is the remix le yabo Kespanyo Vest, yabo Questa, and then kube ne Scooter Baba they come up ithi da abo Muzmoka, abo Just Sam, abo Victor Groove, and then kube ne Scooter Baba isase KZN, abo Duncan, nabo Zakwe, kube sase Pitori abo 25k, nabo Lutinova Pounds, and then kube the OGs abo Sizwe Alakain, nabo Chichila Main.
Okay.
So that's the biggest highlight.
Yeah. Uspanile kakhulu. It's like you're big.
Yeah, we try. We
You're
try.
big.
Siyazama Nkosi
You're
enkulu.
big.
Siyazama Nkosi enkulu.
It's not necessarily a compliment into yokucompare nabo Big Zulu. Mfethu you are there.
Sibonge.
Yeah,
Siya
you're
manifest,
there,
siya
man.
manifest.
Yeah. Grootman, nah man. I think I've gotten an idea yokuthi kahle kahle uChrist ubani.
Sure.
And for anyone no ngangibuza ngawo, I can actually create conversation and be like, now namanga mfethu lo. So
Impela.
So no man, ngithanda ukubulela kakhulu for actually ukusishayela around ifandakhe, and sizobana le conversation lena.
Impela.
But if ever there's anything that you think ukuthi mhlambi si miss out and bongathanda ukuthi sikhulumile ngayo, we can actually
Nah. There's not that much, but unganitshela kona ukuthi please go check out Mocha Avenue. Njobe ngitshela ukuthi ngisipane noMuzmoka kakhulu.
Sure.
Yeah, he just dropped an EP. Igama layo Mocha Avenue. I'm featured on 3 songs there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm featured on 3 songs there. And then there's also going to be a music video ezayo soon. Pusha yeah, one of the songs is Pusha Ididing EP.
Okay.
Track was a Matala. So now that's the single Pusha EP. We also shot a music video for that. Need check in that in Leo, and also check Mfana Kaloba. It's out on all streaming platforms. That's my single. Check out Top Flop. He just dropped a single, E Old Lady, titled E Old Lady, featuring Loli Natives. Check out my whole crew has dropped, but check out Rashid K. He just dropped Nai Project Lake. Check out Chabun Lavini. Check out Sansa Gold. Check out DJ Raf. The Sound of Wizwi, the Lapistida Mekhanyisile. It was by him. Okay. It is a 3-step song that we did in Naira. Also we have Zinotu on the song. We have Sidiso Williams, which is my cousin. Uhlala khona la Polar Park. Okay. And then we have this Trump World. He's a trumpetist. Angazi if ngibeke kahle. It's George. Yabo was the FBA. So there.
Okay.
That's the things that you need to look out for. There's a whole lot of Spanish izayo here. There's a whole lot of Spanish izayo bafethu here. Be on the lookout for that.
Nice one. Okay, bafethu, from myself MK ngiyabonga kakhulu guys, and please don't forget bafethu to subscribe, press the button, and if ever there's any questions that you have especially for him, please feel free to comment guys, and then if ever we are going to have to call him back kaye studio to come and give answers, sizoyenza kanjalo guys. But from myself ndiyabulela kakhulu Grootman.
Sure. Asibonga bafethu.
Another day.
Yithi sesaphuma bafethu. Angisho niyazi. Thank you Alberton. Issue ama showcase na mashwamshwa ungakhohle Jimmy Stini town nayo. Silkhetha umbala. East Rand issue.
Yeah. Sure ubhale la 1426.